How to turn on ad post to your story on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So when you go to Instagram and tap on your profile, again tap on the three lines. Now scroll down, tap on sharing. As you can see, there is no setting to turn on. As you can see, there is no setting to turn on ad to. As you can see, there is no setting to turn on ad post to your story. So unfortunately, Instagram have removed the feature in the recent updates. The only way you can add post to your story is go to the post. Now tap on the send icon and tap on add to story. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.